is gifting. We're talking about gifting. You know,
But I
Who
can
would
give
you
things
it?
to myself.
You can, darling. But
I think a friend.
yeah,
Yeah. I think when you're younger, you go all
Am
out.
I your
but I
friend?
think you're my friend.
okay, thanks. Well, you have this. Give it
and
to
I'll-
your mum.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Hey everyone, I'm Vicky Neve and I'm here today with Charlie Marlowe to talk through some of our top pick gifts from Boots this Christmas. So first up,
Yeah.
these gift sets, such great value. My one, Lizzo,
Lovely sale.
Cleanse and Refresh, the mini gift set. Look,
Ooh.
that's the cloth.
Oh,
You
yeah.
get the cloth.
Always a muslin cloth in Lizelle.
So we know this is
Good
what
stuff.
mums across the land desire. But also, it's a lovely gift for a friend like my age, you know? I think they'd really appreciate this.
21.
Yeah. Cheeky. And that is £13, which is amazing.
That's really good.
Also, do you know what? That's really nice if you like your teacher that your kid has got. That's a really
Yes.
lovely gift for a teacher because they get enough chocolates and rubbish they don't want.
Yeah.
Um,
Still get them a bottle of wine though. Just get this as well.
well, yeah, that
Yeah.
and a bottle of wine. I think that is a perfect present.
I'd love that.
Yeah, so there, that's mine. I think that's a brilliant one.
Here's one I think I'd maybe keep for myself. It is the Mario Badescu Fresh Start Trio. Now this is £17, but I think this is a firm fan favourite.
That's brilliant.
I would give this.
There are 3 products in there.
This is 3 products, yeah.
That's what trio means. I've
Trio.
just read. Yeah. Trio.
What have we
3,
got?
guys. You're learning. You're learning.
We've got the facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. I like that.
Rose
That's
water, anything rose water, beautifully
very
calming.
calming. We've got a gentle foaming cleanser, can't go wrong.
Love a foam.
And a caffeine eye cream. I really like a caffeine eye
Can I
cream.
drink that?
Just wake up the under eye.
Yeah, I need
But
it.
no.
Give me all the caffeine.
I would keep this for myself. Or to be honest, I think this is nice to give to friends at Christmas.
Yeah, it's gifting. We're talking about gifting. You know?
But I
Well,
can
who would
give
you
things
it?
to myself.
You can, darling, but who, yeah.
I think a friend.
Yeah?
Yeah. I think when you're younger, you go all
Am
out.
I your
but I
friend?
think you're my friend.
Okay, thanks. Well, you have this. Give it
and
to
I'll-
your mum.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
And you
Excellent.
keep that for yourself.
Bam, well done.
Right, on to the next. Right, moving on to our skincare gift sets. You've got the Soap and Glory.
I have got the Soap and Glory, and I think this is brilliant for, like, my girls would be after this. £20. I think this is
Wow.
lovely. Absolutely brilliant for a stocking as well.
This
But,
is amazing.
I mean, I'm just going in. I'm going in,
Show
Charlie.
me, I want to see it, I want to see it.
Oh,
I
I
like the
like this
little
packaging.
bag.
It's like a lunch bag.
Yeah.
Right. Oh. So, we have...
Wow, Daily Dew Instant Hydration Serum. That 30ml, that's really hefty.
It's big, aren't they?
That's good.
But I just want to know what's in there.
And then we've got the Speed Plump Intensely Hydrating Day Lotion, 50ml. Again, these are really good size.
Maracas!
Wow!
They're not maracas, but...
Oh my
they
God.
don't, but...
They're like
Ready?
ice globes.
I mean... Wow. I mean, that's just lovely.
What have I got? I've got the Bubble Polar Pals Mini 2-Step.
Say that again.
The Bubble Polar Pals Mini 2-Step.
And that's £10.
This is 10 quid. Look at this. This is brilliant. So this is the
It's
2-step.
like a little bauble. It's a bauble bubble.
I
You
know.
can hang on the tree.
How good's that? Little 2-step skincare routine. So this,
Perfect stocking filler.
we love this. It's our
Oh,
moisturiser.
we do love.
How do we get this over?
Give that-
Oh, give that a push.
Pump.
Love
Pump
it.
it. Pump
it
up
up.
the jam. Pump it up. Oh, wow. I mean, I've
It's such a nice moisturiser, this though. It's so like lightweight, but it also, I feel like it goes a long way.
yeah,
Oh, I love it.
it's
And-
really, really good. What's that one
Ooh,
there?
Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. So we've also just
Oh,
got,
that's a good.
oh, how cute.
I know. I don't.
How gorgeous is that?
I just am a sucker for a little mini.
I love it.
I think that's a really cute gift. Again, my girls would love that.
So I'm just trying to see if you can take the lid off to refill it. I love doing that. But £10 for those 2 little things. I
and
think
20 for mine, so I think that is fantastic.
Again-
Also, that's such a good size. Put that in a stocking and you're filling up quite. I do like to try and think, you know, bulk.
Yeah.
Bulk out of stocking.
what can I get the most for my money?
Yeah.
But this is really good. Again, for people getting into skincare or just want to try little bits.
Yeah.
But if you're not sure what someone likes, I mean, it's £10, 10 and 20 quid.
Yeah.
Not
I think
breaking
these
the
are
bank.
Perfect.
Love it. I put it in the wrong order.
So, next up, makeup gift sets.
Yay!
I think this one,
Yeah.
Christmas, darling.
Oh, thanks, God.
That's iconic, perfect for you.
I did the same for you, number 7, because you look it.
You are.
Your skin's so glowing, you look 7.
Oh,
Aw.
you're so lovely.
Look at this. So what is it? What's this actually
That's
called?
£26. I spent more.
Right, well,
This is 20.
it's the idea, isn't it? It's the
But
thought
look
that
at this
counts.
packaging.
It's very bougie.
This is bougie.
Oh, mine's got a sticker on.
What's mine called? So it's number 7,
Yeah.
Pro Artist.
Ooh,
You know?
that's what you
I
are.
am
Go
very
on.
professional. Just can't read. Shimmer and glow. Shimmer and glow. Shimmer. Do you shimmer?
Can't get it open.
Look at that.
Wow.
That is a beauty.
I see. I need like it.
Oh, I love the packaging on this. Oh. Tell you what that is.
Ooh,
Classy.
that it.
That is a classy set of colours. A nice bit of shimmer.
Yeah, this is giving very like Christmas party vibes.
That is beautiful.
Wow, what have I got? I've got the iconic Name a Better Duo gift set. And this includes, ooh, the iconic.
Oh, my
Ooh,
Liberty
the spray.
loves that.
Look at that. And then we've got
It's
the
all in
triple threat
one.
mascara. Wow. Look at this.
Look at this. I've got a highlighter in there.
Oh, that's nice.
That is beautiful. The
That's good for
packaging
summer
on
as well.
this is beautiful.
Ooh. Oh, look at that. What do you think about that wand?
Yeah, I think that's for you young'uns.
Yeah.
I like a bit of a hefty one. It's for you young'uns. But
Nice
I
slim
think that's
wand.
beautiful.
This is gorge.
Come on. Oh, there.
Is that the blush again?
It is. Ah,
I love that. That's
that
so
is
nice.
So nice.
This is a really nice set. What, for 26 quid?
Yeah,
You're getting
thought
full-size
I thought it was
products.
perfect for you.
You're thinking ahead.
Yeah.
I love
But
it.
I also love the packaging on this.
So what's that one? Oh, that was your
That was my highlighter.
highlighter.
My shimmer. That was my shimmer and glow. That's it. I'm shimmer and I'm glowing. That's amazing.
I think we've done really well there for each other.
Yeah.
Well done
Perfect.
us. Merry
Happy
Christmas.
Christmas. Now we are looking at new brands to Boots, and they have some amazing products. It's quite surprising actually. So I'm going to pick up my one. I am so excited that Boots are going to be stocking this. But
Come on.
this is incredible.
Oh, what
This
is
is
it?
neon. I mean, neon. Yeah, okay. I reckon they're going to use that in their next advertising campaign.
That's what they should be
But
called.
this is, I mean, I love all of Neon, but this is the Wellbeing Pod Mini. It's portable, charges. I mean, look at the size of it.
Wow.
I think this is perfect for, because you can take it all around your house, you can move it,
Yeah.
because you know sometimes you walk into one room and you're like, beautiful, but then, you know, you don't spend your whole time in there. You can take this with you,
Ooh, yeah.
and then you're just fully embracing the well-being and the beautiful scent.
Immersed.
But in a car.
Ooh, you'd never think to use it in
Imagine,
a car.
put that in your cup holder. It's rechargeable, so you have that. It's beautiful scent. You're all calm. There's no road rage with this.
No.
No, this is incredible. I'm so happy this has come to Boots.
I want one.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
No.
Well, that's good because
Okay,
I've got my
I've
own.
clearly got to hold on to this.
These are, and I did not know this brand was stocked at Boots, the Laneige Midnight Minis, because I've seen this sleeping lip mask everywhere. And I thought, oh,
Is the
really
watermelon one in there?
Yes,
Yeah.
but you can have that because I hate watermelon.
Oh, really?
Yeah, absolutely despise it. I'll look through it now. Here we go. We've
Oh
got,
my God. Can we just talk about how
Wow.
cute they are?
look at the gummy bear.
Oh,
I didn't know that was a flavour.
gummy bear.
Gummy bear, go
Oh,
and give that a
nice.
sniff. Oh, here's yours. Watermelon. I don't want to go anywhere near that.
That is lovely.
There you go. I should just start saying I'm allergic. Oh, I'll be having this one.
Oh, that is lovely.
Oh, peach iced tea. Wow.
Oh.
Look how cute they are. But I think these are actually quite deceiving because they've got like
There's
a little
lot in there though.
scoop bottom. Yeah, they've got loads in.
That will last.
Wow. Then we've got, yeah,
How many's in there?
we've got
5.
5, yeah. Then we've got mango
Oh,
Gorge.
no, sorry. Mango is my favourite.
and, ooh, berry.
No, this one.
Wow. Oh, that's really thick.
How's that for ASMR?
That's really
Sounds a
nice.
bit wrong. Oh, it's got a lovely shine as well.
I do think that this would be such a good gift. Obviously not for kids,
No.
but again for like
Late
preteen,
teens, late teens
tween.
will love this. My girls would love this. And also these are perfect because you've got 5, whack 'em. You know it, you have so many handbags.
Yeah.
You have 1 in each.
One in each. Problem
There,
sorted.
look. I know you don't want the
Look at
watermelon, but
that.
just have it.
No, get it away. It stinks.
Does
In a nice way,
Yeah.
if you like watermelon,
If
but I
you love
don't.
it.
Charlie and Vicky approved.
Boom.
So there's a few of our top pick gifts from Boots this Christmas. You can find them and even more gorgeous sets on Boots.com. For more content like this from me and Vicky, make sure you subscribe to the Boots YouTube channel. See you later.